Promoting baseball sporting events at Delta State University with Kat, Christopher, Chad, Nick, and Ione. What we are going to talk about are the customers, their strength, our strengths and weaknesses, the opportunities, the threats, marketing objectives, and our conclusion. The customers consist of the children, the parents, college students, and club members. The strengths and weaknesses of this are a strength is that the team's titles that they have won and how good they are. A weakness would be a head coach resigned. Another strength would be excellent facilities, such as the field, the stadium, and their practice facilities. And the weakness would be the weather. If it's bad weather, then they cannot have games and or play. Another strength would be a great media team, so that the fans can know what's going on if they cannot make it to the field to see the game in person. A weakness would be need good trainers. So if you don't have good trainers, then the players can always be getting hurt and they can never get the right treatment. Opportunities and threats. Opportunities. New coach equals new players. Great media team equals more customers to come to the games. Qualified athletic trainers, more people apply for a job here. So if we had a qualified athletic trainer, we'd have a lot more people wanting to come and help out with him and her, and they would be able to treat our athletes a lot better. So threats would be same coach equals same system. Facilities not well kept. It discourages others' teams, players, and customers. Social media that can promoting team and facilities. Those are some threats that are against our team. Marketing objective. Doubling amount of people, fans during games brings in more money. An issue with this is that not enough home games or other athletics have practice or games as well. Positioning from the product is important. Here, promoting baseball sporting events. Know what you're talking about. The baseball team, 4 coaches, 39 players, 50 regular season games, 15 postseason games, and half of them are home. Conclusion is that promoting baseball sporting events would bring a lot of positive things. It can bring a growing fan base, a dynamic environment, positive vibes, and a good reputation to not only the team but the whole entire program and school as a whole. Thank you.